Hi there. This video is for people that are incredibly busy, don't have time, want to take the foot course, and don't know if they can cram it into the schedule. Short answer, yes, you can. There is an online course that you can work through at your own pace. You got access to the training 24/7. There's milestones set that are easily fit into anyone's schedule. And the final exam can be done in person in the province that you're in. I find the person that is going to be your examiner when you get closer to the certification step. And so we can work it into your schedule around your life and make it happen. You can go as fast or as slow as you need to. Sound good? If you are interested in that type of certification, you do have to apply. I only open up 10 spots at a time. And I need to make sure that this program is a good fit for you. And I need you to make sure that you know that this is a good program for you. So the best thing that you can do is just look in the description below, find the link, book a call with me. We'll have a conversation. I'll get clear on what your goals are. You'll get clear on what the certification entails. When we agree that it's a good fit, we can get through all of the next steps. Sound good? You can always email me at reflexology@calindatrifo.com. I look forward to meeting you. Bye for now.